if you're saying you're standing against xenophobia, South Africans saying they're not xenophobic, but they're highlighting the social ills that they too have to struggle with.
I would say they are correct to be worried about the social ills, but they are inaccurate about pointing who the enemy is. Because the enemy is not people coming into this nation. The enemy are the people that are failing to service them. Because people are crying about housing, they're crying about education, the right to health. Because think about it, 30 years into democracy, when you look at our health institutions, they have dilapidated. When I was young growing up, I could easily be taken to Baragwanath Hospital or to Orlando Clinic, and the conditions were good. So who is to be blamed? We must properly blame the right person, not blame poor people that are also struggling to make a living, because the conditions in the different countries are horrible.
And now one of the placards here, several say no one is illegal. But we know that there are undocumented migrants in South Africa. What exactly do you mean?
To say someone is illegal, it means that you should have taken them through proper and due process, right? But we know that we have backlog. We know that a lot of asylum seekers, they hardly find help when they go and present themselves because of the backlog. So how can we then say someone is illegal? What kind of data are we using to back up that? So we are saying anyone in Africa is not illegal. Also, the ANC slogan said, this country belongs to all who live in it. So when did that change? So how can you then turn around because you have democracy and say someone is illegal? When 30 years back, under apartheid, we were running to different nations. And secondly, we forget who built this country. We forget that the economy of this country was built by migrants.